Hey everyone, welcome back to IT System Admin. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to install Python 3.13.7 on Windows 11. Whether you are a beginner or setting up a new system, this guide will make this process super simple. So let's get started. First, open your browser. In search, type Python download and hit enter. Here you will find the official Python website, python.org. Click on Download Python. Now go to the download sections and you will see the latest release, Python 3.13.7 for Windows. Click on Download Python 3.13.7 and download is started. Once the download is complete, open in folder, then right-click to Python installer application and then click on Run as administrator. This app is not Microsoft verified, so click on Installed anyway. Another notification will appear. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Here select Use admin privileges when installing py.exe and select Add Python to Path. Now click on Custom Installation. Here documentation py, tcltk and IDLE, Python test suite by launcher and for all users options are selected by default. Leave those as default. Click on Next. Select Install Python for all users and compile standard library. Now path is changed to C drive program files. Then click on Install. Python installation is started. Setup was successful. Click on Close. After the installation finishes, let's make sure it works. Click on Search. In search type CMD and right-click on CMD. Click on Run as administrator. In command prompt type Python space ~version. If installation was successful, you will see Python and its version number. To test Python, click on Search, type IDLE and open IDLE Python. Just type print first bracket double quotation IT system admin double quotation close first bracket close. Now hit enter. It prints the message IT system admin. Congratulations, Python 3.13.7 is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.